In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Excel and Google Sheets, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your data across these platforms with just a few simple steps. This can be incredibly useful for managing data collaboratively across different software environments, ensuring that the updates you make in one spreadsheet automatically reflect in the other. First, let's start by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, you can always create a new one from your Google Drive. Once your Google Sheet is open, we're going to prepare it to receive data from an Excel file by using a handy function offered by Google Sheets. Next, navigate to cell A4 in your Google Sheet. It's important to use this specific cell as it will serve as the destination for the data we are about to import. By starting in A4, you're ensuring that any header or prior organization in your sheet remains unaffected. Now, in cell A4, you will type in a special formula, gigs import range. This function is a powerful tool used in Google Sheets to import a range of cells from one spreadsheet into another. It's crucial for setting up the connection between your Excel file and your Google Sheet. In this example, we'll use the function as follows. Import range, http:/docs, google.com, spreadsheets, d1, manujxotvu7, TJ9Q0AO KGYEQE PP0JAC, SPY SA52LI, edit, GID, 146371988, GID, 14637198888, record 1A2C. Let's break down this formula for a better understanding. The first part within the quotation marks is the URL link to your Excel file. Ensure you replace this with the link to your own Excel document. The second part, after the comma, specifies the range of cells we want to import. In this instance, record 1A2C indicates that we are grabbing cells from rows A2 to C for a record labeled record 1. Once you've entered your formula, press the Enter key. This action will prompt Google Sheets to retrieve and display your desired data from the Excel file. However, before it can pull the data in, Google Sheets will generally request your permission to access the spreadsheet, especially if you haven't connected the two files before. A yellow bar might appear, asking for authorization. Simply click Allow Access, and Google Sheets will start importing the specified range. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your Excel file to your Google Sheet. Any updates made to the Excel range you specified will now automatically reflect in this Google Sheet. Leveraging this feature can save time and effort, making data management much more efficient across different platforms. Remember, this method is beneficial for ensuring up-to-date synchronization between your spreadsheets, especially in collaborative environments where data accuracy and timeliness are crucial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy syncing!